In this video, I will show you how to put name at the end of a TikTok video. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on my TikTok. Now, in order to add the name at the end of the video, it's really easy to do. What you want to do is select the video that you want to add the name at the end to. So let's take this one here, for example. If I go ahead and press to open up the video, once you've done that, what you want to do is actually share this to Instagram. So to do that, if you come over to the right hand side, what you want to do is press onto the three dots and then simply share this to Instagram. So what we're going to do is share this to Instagram, so not Instagram direct or stories. You want to share this directly to Instagram. So you want to scroll across until you see Instagram, give that a press. Then it's just going to take a minute or two to go through, save your video and share it to Instagram. So here we are, as you can see, and you can see we're currently here now on Instagram. So you can see we've got our name, so TikTok here on the left hand side. And when we get to the end of the video, as you can see, it's going to show our name at the end of the video. So what we can do is come up to the top right hand corner. You can see there's a download button, so we can actually download this onto our device, and then we've got that video ready to go with our name at the end of the video. So that's how to put name at the end of TikTok video. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.